All right, everyone, welcome back to another flashlight video here. ThruNite was kind enough to send me this TC20 version 2 cool white LED flashlight. And just so you know, this is only my second ever ThruNite flashlight. The first one I purchased several years back, which you all might know, the Catapult V6. A very awesome mini thrower. My favorite mini thrower of all flashlights. And just an awesome flashlight. A lot of you guys told me you got this flashlight. A lot of you guys were really impressed with this flashlight, as was I. So anyway, ThruNite was kind enough to reach out to me and send me this flashlight here, the TC20 version 2. So let me go ahead and open it up here and let's see what we get inside the box. First, let me just show you what you see here in the box. And show you the side of the box. So you can say it's available in black, desert tan, metal gray, in cool white, or neutral white. This is a cool white, as you can see. So very nice. I like you can get the different colors. Shows you a picture of it there. Let's take it out of the box here and go over all the specs here. Very nice, sturdy cardboard box that comes in. First thing it does is says, let's see, please screw down the light head and tail cap tightly before use. So they loosen the head and the tail cap of the flashlight so the battery won't operate in transit for safety reasons. So that's why they tell you that. Let's go ahead and see what you get in the box here. I can get the flashlight protected in this little bag. I did ask for the desert tan model, and wow, gorgeous color. Look at the color on this thing. This is just beautiful. I really love the color. Very nice. Let's set that aside and see what else we get in the box here. So I got this little rubber out of the way there. Looks like you got a manual, and this is definitely in multiple languages. English is definitely one of them, as you can see here. So we'll go through all the specs on that. Subscribe to the ThruNite YouTube channel. Okay, well, there you go. And looks like customer service card, warranty extension. Let's see, focus in there. Sorry about my autofocus, guys. Tells you about their warranty. I'm going to go through this with you guys just so you know. Put that aside. Let's see what else we get in the box. Looks like we get a lanyard, ThruNite lanyard. Looks like you get an extra button, 2 extra covers for the, this is USB-C rechargeable, and 2 O-rings, and a little metal ring there too, okay, which I guess can hold the lanyard. And you got the lanyard there. It is adjustable, which I always like when they're adjustable, so you can adjust them to how you like them. Very nice. We'll take a little silica gel thing to take the moisture out. You can see the moisture gets in the box. All right, let's see here. You get the charging cable. Again, USB-C. Very nice. A little cover thing for it. Our carrying case. Very nice. Says ThruNite there on the side. You can slip your belt through there. Okay, little Velcro. Very nice. All right, let's take a look here, more detail on the flashlight. All right, let's go over the specs here on this flashlight. This has a Cree XHP 70.2 LED. Up to 4,068 lumens here. This is the cool white version, as I said. That's the one I asked them to send me when they reached out to me. It does have an anti-reflective coat, ultra clear toughened glass lens. Anti-reflective coated ultra clear toughened glass lens. Has an orange peel reflector. The working voltage on this is 2.75 volts to 4.2 volts. Okay. Made from aluminum T6061-T6, type 3 hard anodized for anti-abrasive finish. As I said, it is USB-C rechargeable. Here is the charging port. All right. Very nice. It is IPX8 waterproof up to 2 meters. It does have a power indicator on the button. Let's see how that port goes back. Sometimes these don't go back like you'd like. This one goes back quite snug. There we go. Just got to give it some firm pressure, as most of these do, to make sure the seal's tight. So it does have a power indicator. We'll go over that now since we're talking about it. If it shows blue here, your battery's between 21 and 100%. If it's red, your battery's between 11 and 20%. Flashing red means you only have 1 to 10% of your battery left. And if there's no light, that means the battery's dead, needs to be immediately replaced so you can operate the flashlight. It does have memory, except for the special modes, and the special modes on this are Firefly, Turbo, and Strobe. So just keep that in mind, okay? Let's see, what else? If you're charging it via USB-C, this light will be red for charging, and once it turns blue, it means it's charged. So very nice. I like that the flashlights, you can charge them directly with a USB. That's very handy to have. It saves you having to deal with carrying a charger around with you and things like this, or as a backup to your charger or whatever, to have a flashlight that can charge the battery inside. So very nice. This does come with a battery. So let me tighten everything up like I said. Let's show you the battery. They're pretty tight. Definitely sealed really well. This is the ThruNite battery, 5,000 milliamp hour. It's a 26650 battery. Very nice. And you can see the thickness of this, the wall of the flashlight here. It's very thick, very sturdy. So it's very thick. Very nice to see that. Some of the flashlights on the lower quality side can be quite thin, which makes you wonder how they'd hold up over time. But this is very nice. Has a single spring on the tail cap. Okay, very nice. And inside you can see there a little bit there. All right, we'll put the battery back in. Thread it back on here. Again, love this color. This is a beautiful color. I have so many black flashlights. I'm like, man, let me get a desert tan. So that's what I ordered. So very nice. Love this color. Beautiful, beautiful color, guys. Beautiful color. It's got some nice knurling on here for grip. Got some heat sinks here. Very nice. Very nice form factor too. Fits really well in the hand. Probably could fit in the pocket. Might be a little big for some people in their pocket, but you can definitely pocket this if you needed to. So very nice. All right, let's go over the LED output specs. So you have Firefly, which is 0.3 lumens for good for 71 days. You got low, 35 lumens for 77 hours. Medium is 320 lumens for 9 hours. High is 1,853 lumens for 122 minutes, which equivalates to 2 hours and 2 minutes. Turbo, 4,068 lumens for 220 seconds, which is 3.6 minutes roughly. And it will step down to 1,722 lumens. So it's not going to stay on turbo for long. Once it gets hot, it's going to step down. Just keep that in mind. The strobe is 1,475 lumens for 211 minutes or roughly 3.5 hours. So max throw on this is 299 meters, and the max candela 22,400 candela. So there's all the specs, guys, on that. Let's go over the warranty. Let's see here. I thought I had that written down, but apparently I didn't. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Sorry. Lost my note there. All right. The warranty on this, very, very awesome warranty, guys. 2 years free replacement for problems if they occur under normal use, okay? If you go throw this off the side of a cliff, probably not going to help you out. But if you do a normal use, something happens to it, you're going to get a free replacement. After that, it goes to the lifetime limited maintenance. After the initial 2-year period, ThruNite will provide maintenance service, but cost of parts and shipping will be paid by the customer. So in other words, they'll fix it for you, but you'll have to pay parts and shipping. So just keep that in mind. But still, nice to have a nice warranty like two years free replacement and then a lifetime limited maintenance after that. So pretty solid warranty there, guys. So Anyway, let me go ahead and adjust the camera here. We'll go through the UI real fast before we take it outside and do some beam shots with this. All right, hold on a second while I adjust the camera. Okay, the UI for the ThruNite TC20 version 2 flashlight. First, we're going to hit the Firefly. In order to get into Firefly, you're just going to hold down the side button, the side switch for a moment. You'll see it kick on there. That's 0.3 lumens. I'm not going to see a whole lot on the camera, but that's 0.3 lumens. To get out of that, you're just going to click it one more time, turn it off. Now, when you click it on, it's going to start out in low now. Remember, it doesn't remember Firefly, Turbo, or Strobe. So low, 35 lumens. Again, 77 hours of runtime. Very nice. This is 35 lumens is plenty for walking around outside or in the house or whatever without having to make it disturb a lot of people around you if you're camping or whatever. But also you get a fantastic runtime, 77 hours. That's pretty awesome for 35 lumens. All right, let's bump up again. You hold it down to bump it up. Medium, 320 lumens for 9 hours. Very bright. My camera will auto adjust, guys, just so you know. And high, oh, that might have been, hold on. That's low, medium, high. Okay, there we go. Sorry about that. 1,853 lumens. Let me tell you, it is very bright, reflecting off my wall. The camera did adjust down, but trust me, it is very bright right now. So here we go. We're going to double click to go into turbo. Now we're at 4,068 lumens. Again, keep in mind it will step down once it gets warm enough. It will step down to 1,722 lumens. So it's all going to run at turbo for about 3.6 minutes. It will step down, so just keep that in mind. Now strobe warning, double click again, goes into strobe. Very, very bright, even though it dropped down to 1,475 lumens. It is very bright, wow. Click it, turns off, click it again, goes back in the last mode, which was high. And to cycle through, you just hold down. So pretty simple UI. Turn it off and on, just click it. It does remember memory again for low, medium, and high. Just keep that in mind. So if you want it at medium and you turn it off, turn it back on, it will remember that. I'm gonna put it back into low mode. So there you go, there's the UI. Now we're gonna go ahead and take the ThruNite TC20 version 2 outside. This is the cool white version again. And they're going to go ahead and take it outside and show you the beam shots. Very excited to see what this will do outside in the dark. So let's go ahead and get that done now, guys. Okay, we're outside here in the dark with the ThruNite TC20 version 2. Going to try to be quick because it's Florida and there's tons of mosquitoes and bugs out in June, so not very pleasant for me. And they seem to really like lights. So as soon as I start turning the lights on, they usually start coming right at me. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on the Firefly. Probably not going to be able to see much on the camera. It is on. I can see the ground in front of me quite well. Again, it's only 0.3 lumens, but I assure you it is on. And I can almost make out the bird bath, which you'll see when I bump the light up here, which is about 50 feet away. Let me turn Firefly off. Let's go into low. Oh, that wasn't low. There we go. Low. All right, 35 lumens. I can kind of see the bird bath I was talking about there. Bird bath, probably 45 feet away. That little tree to the left there's, which you probably have a hard time making on camera, is about 50 feet away. The big tree behind the bird bath, not in front of it, but behind it is about 50 feet away also. Anyway, that's 35 lumens. Plenty to see around quite well. Again, long run time, 77 hours. So very awesome. Just so you know, the LED indicator for the light for the battery stays on the entire time, so you can constantly monitor where the battery is while you operate the flashlight. So very nice to know there. Let's bump it up. 320 lumens. Again, lighten up everything really nice. You can see that tree 50 feet away, the bird bath, tree behind it. Doing very, very nice job. Again, 320 lumens for 9 hours. Let's bump it up again. This is, jump back down again. There we go. High, 1,853 lumens. You can see it's lighting up my backyard quite nicely, All right, doing an awesome job. You can see the beam there, very nice. Let's go into turbo. Turbo, this is 4,068 lumens. It lights up everything, guys. Lights up everything really, really well. Wow. So very, very awesome. Let me bump it back down. Let's go back to low there. Anyway, that is the ThruNite TC20 version 2. Very thankful for ThruNite ham radio gear. Slacking a little bit in my ham radio gear, but hopefully I'll have a video coming out soon. But again, a big thank you to all of you. Please like, share, and subscribe. It's a really big thing for the channel. And again, thank you ThruNite for sending me the TC20 version 2. Awesome, awesome flashlight. Love this color, this desert tan color. I'm really telling you, it really pops. And just awesome flashlight. Very impressed with my first ThruNite flashlight I purchased a while back. The Catapult V6, still an awesome mini thrower, awesome thrower. But again, very impressed so far with the ThruNite TC20 version 2. And there should be some links in the description, just so you know. So anyway, thanks a lot, guys, and happy lumens.